after additional info, plan term. Plan term. What is this team? Calendar year, anniversary year. Means what team? I am giving the requirement that 24 days of annual leave per annum, per year. What is that per year? Every year, what is that calculation? Year means 12 months, we know. What is the cycle that every month system should follow? So every year, Jan to December is the cycle for the balance calculation for this plan, or April to March, or June to July, what? That we have to set up team. Plan term cycle every year. So calendar year, if you keep team, you will get these options. So here, reference date you give. Forget about the year, date and month. My client telling Kumar, I follow Jan to December cycle. Every year, whenever I assign this plan to my employee, the balance calculation should be January to December. 24 days means Jan to December, the cycle should be. So here team date 01 0101. Okay. Year is not a matter team. You give 2026, 1951, whatever it is team. Plan term calendar year, then reference date. 1 means January 1st. Now see team here, January 1st came. That's all. Automatically, it will take December 31st team. See, start month January and start day 1st came. So every year, the plan term, the cycle system will follow for the employees will be Jan 1st to year end, December 31st. Let's say my client telling Kumar, no, I want to follow every year April to March cycle. Then give 104 month. Now see, start month will go to April team. See, so the cycle for this plan, whenever you assign to the employee, every year the calculation will be from 1st April to 31st March. Cycle will go like that. So what is your client requirement team? So my client telling Kumar, it should be Jan to December. Then give 1 team. January 1st, 1 means year is not matter. Anything you can give. See, January 1st. That is plan term cycle for this plan we are setting up. That yearly tenure. Year means what? Every year, Jan to December. If not team, in plan term, we have anniversary year topic. What is that? We have anniversary year topic team. What do you mean by anniversary year? If I choose anniversary year, anniversary event rule will come hire date. What do you mean by this hire date team here? Anniversary year means, see, generally the meaning in our lives, in everyone life, we have anniversary year. Let's say you married today on March 19th. Exactly 1 year after this, you will celebrate your anniversary. Anniversary means 1 year completion. Correct team. So here, while I am configuring the plan term, anniversary year, if I keep in the system team, what happens, For example, today on 19th March, I hired the employee. So he is eligible. Today, the plan enrolled to him. Exactly from today to next 1 year completion team. From March 19th, 2026 to March 18th, 2027. His 1 year cycle will be. So every year, his cycle will be from his hire date to next year, 1 year completion. But the problem, what happens, if you go with plan term as anniversary year, every employee in the system will be in different cycles for balance calculation team. For every employee from his hire date to 1 year. Let's say one more employee joined in the month of 10th April. For him, 10th April to 9th April next year. So anniversary year, if you go, every employee will not be under one roof. So team, we can go with calendar year so that every employee will be under same tenure cycle team. So here we have to set up the plan term cycle in the system.